Hello, hi. My name is Phumzile Thobela. I am in this business of network marketing. I would like to share with you this opportunity. I have been doing this business for a while now. I have done it part time. I'm doing it full time now. I have been in this business for a while. As I have said, my name is Phumzile Thobela. I am a stay-at-home mom. I was a medical admin officer. I am now doing this business full time as I am no longer a medical admin officer. I have shifted from being a full-time employee to creating freedom and also growing through this business. I have now learned to do this business full-time and also be able to be there for my children. How it all started, it was my sister's birthday. We decided to go and celebrate her birthday at one of the hotels in town. On that same day, there was a presentation which was hosted in that same hotel, and we just decided, well, let us just go and hear what they say. Let's just go and listen what they're sharing. And that's the day that I learned more about network marketing. I learned more about how network marketing helps other people and what it can do for other people. The reason I decided to take this opportunity, I needed the extra income. I was working full time, but I didn't have anything to show of what I was working for. I have three kids, as I have said. I needed to be able to spend time with my family while also making extra income for me and my family, and also being able to provide for my family. Before I joined this business, I never liked talking to people. I never liked interactions or starting conversations. So this was an opportunity for me to grow in this business and also to see what other skills I have for myself. I can learn and also share with others. I also needed the time freedom because when you're working full time and you're doing overtime, it's not easy for you to get time to spend with your family. It's not easy for you to be there for everyone else who needs you. I am as I said, I was working. I had a full-time employer. I worked as a medical admin officer, and suddenly, after some years, I lost my job. I lost my job while I had already started building my business. Instead of being stressed out about losing my job, it was a relief for me because I already had a backup plan. I already started my business, which was going well, which was doing great things for me. So I already had an income, even though I lost my full time job. I was running it part time while employed, so I already know how to grow my business and how to also do my business with confidence. It wasn't really a train smash, but I was able to just focus on doing my business full time now. As I am now doing my business full time, I am now able to spend more time and also grow my business while also growing my team, while also helping others grow their business. The best thing about this business, I've never thought that I'll be the one showing other people how to grow. I'll be the one showing people how to do this business. So my leadership skills has developed. I'm also able to with confidence also able to say what I want to say to other people, share more things about the business, share how this business can benefit with other people. I am able to share with this business and spend more time with other people who are ready to grow in the business, who wants to also be in the business. So I get to be able to make meetings and set up meetings and share with other people. I spend more time with my team and also people who are ready to learn more about the business. This business that I'm talking about is eForever Living. Forever Living is a global health and wellness company. It is trusted in over 160 countries. We use products for nutrition. All our products have aloe vera in it. We have skincare, weight management, and personal care products. You can choose which one you want to focus on. You can sell all of them. You can share all of our products with anyone that you want to share, or you can focus on a certain, or maybe you can choose skincare and focus on skincare. Do it for yourself and your business. Why aloe? With our product, all our products have a specific percentage of aloe in them. We use aloe because it has no added sugars or artificial colors. It's also hand filtered and stabilized, which means we use the inner gel. We don't just use the whole leaf of the aloe. It is grown on Forever's own plantation, which means quality is controlled and from plants to products. Scientifically tested and certified by independent bodies like International Aloe Council, which is a great advantage for us because everyone wants something that it is tested and even certified. So all our products are tested and certified. What is Forever? As most people may ask, Forever's mission is to help people look better, feel better, and live better, both through health and financial freedom. So everyone wants to look better, everyone wants to feel better, and the best part, you get to do this while you are feeling healthier, and also you have money in your pocket because you are selling the best quality product people can offer. What do we do in this business? We have 4 steps that we do in this business. To be successful, these are the only things that you get to do and share with other people for your business to be successful. Number 1, we use the product. We start using the products for health and wellness. You choose which products you want to use for yourself and you use that product. When people see the benefits of that product on you, that's when people are intrigued and want to know more about the business. That's when you get to step number 2. You share and sell the product. We recommend and sell the product to others to earn profits. So when people see the benefits in you, that's when they ask, you recommend the product to them and sell it to them. When selling the product, that's when other people also get the same reaction you got from others, and they decide also to join the team. When you join in the team, that's step number 3. That's when you build a team. We invite others to join, guide them, and grow with them. You don't just let people join. We also help them succeed in the business. We earn and grow. That's when we grow our team and also make money together in the team. That's when we develop personally and earn income, travel, and enjoy recognition. Those are the only 4 steps we do to be successful in the business. We help people look better, feel better, and also live better while building financial freedom, which is very important for everyone. We all are looking for financial freedom. How to start a business? We have 2 joining options when starting the business. You can join as a half member. That's when you buy a small pack for you with the products that you want to start with. You also get discounts when buying those products. It's a way of you to just have one step in the business and see how you can also succeed in this business, how you can also learn from just sharing the business with other people. And as soon as you join, that's when you get the training, get the coaching, and you also get to learn how to talk to other people. So being a half member is also beneficiary for you as a way to start the business. The second way to join the business is when you buy a full membership pack. That is Epoxy Dumo, famously known as. The full starter pack, it comes with selected products with a product range which you get to start your business with. As soon as you join with a full member, that's when you start to earn commissions, to earn bonuses, and you also are able to start a team of your own. it's still the same with being a half member. You get the full training, get the full support for you to also grow and also start your own team. The best thing about this business, you don't have to start as a full member. You just have to see if you are able to start with the, if you can afford, you can do the half member. We also have case credit in Forever Living, which is a global point system which we use to recognize the work we do and our levels in the business. Case credits are Forever's Living global point system. It measures the sales growth. It's used for promotions, bonuses, and it tracks how you work in the business, whether you're in South Africa, the UK, or USA. One system means the same thing everywhere. So it's a way for us to be able to connect with ourselves, and also how to recognize each other's all over the country as Forever Living business owners. How to accumulate CCs. You can accumulate CCs by using the product. When you use the product, that's when you buy the product to use for yourself. You also accumulate CCs. You can also accumulate CCs by retailing. That's when you buy products to sell and also get profits. You can also accumulate forces by recruiting. Every person you recruit in your team, they also help you. You also accumulate the CCs that they buy into the company when starting their business. Our success formula is an easy one where they made an example with our number one selling product, which is the aloe vera gel, which is highly recognized everywhere. If you join as a full member, when you sell one bottle of aloe vera gel, you get a profit of 168 rand 42 cents. That's when you decide to sell one bottle a day. When you see that this is a lot of profit for yourself, you decide to sell 2 bottles a day, which is a profit of 336 rand 83 cents just by selling 2 bottles a day. And you decide to do this every day for 7 days, which means you're selling 2 bottles a day for 7 days. It's 14 bottles, and your profit is 2,357 rand 83 cents. That's a profit for just selling bottles for 1 week. If you decide to continue with the system for a month, your profit for selling 2 bottles for 30 days will be 10,105 rand 20 cents. When you sell those bottles for those 30 days, you get your case credits grow to being a 6.2 cc's, which means 60 bottles sold in 30 days gives you a profit of 10,105 francs, and also gives you 6 cc's. In that same month, when people decide to join you and people decide to also, they want the profits that you're getting from selling those bottles, and they decide to join with the full member package of eBoxio Dumo, and you get 2 people joining with eBoxio Dumo. As soon as those people join the business, at that same month, within 10 days, the company gives you a prepaid bonus of 3,247.26 cents. That is a thank you for from the company for you in working and recruiting people. And each of those 2 people that you have recruited, they each accumulate 2 cc's, which also falls under your name, which means it's 4 cc's for both of them. And you also have worked for your 6 cc's during the month, which means you now to supervisor level with 10.12 cc's that you have accumulated on that month. Because you have reached the minimum requirement of 4 CCs in that month, the company gives you a boost bonus of 2,116, which means your income for that month can be 15,469.06 just for doing what the company requires, just for following those 4 steps and also moving your business. Our marketing plan, as you can see on this slide, there is a question here asking you where you want to be. This is a great question which has a great meaning on it. You can choose the level that you want in the business. You can choose where you want to be and how you want to grow in the business. The red circle is when you join the business, you become a forever preferred customer. Everyone who joined the business becomes a forever living preferred customer. And if you join with a half member, you stay being a forever preferred customer until you become a full member. If you join with the Box Yotumo, your first stock of the box, that puts you on the forever preferred customer where you start. But with you continuing the business, you automatically become an assistant supervisor in the business. That's where you get to buy products with a 30% discount on all your next purchases. You also get 25% from forever preferred customer under your name. You get 5% boost bonus if you are for CC active during that month. The next level is supervisor. Supervisor, that's when you accumulate you get to be supervisor with 10 CCs in 1 month. When you do those 10 CCs as an assistant supervisor in 1 month, you get to be a supervisor on the next month. As a supervisor, you get 38% discount on all of your purchases. You still get the 25% on your forever preferred customers under your name. You get 8% for a volume bonus of all your purchases. As you can see, the assistant supervisor, there is no volume bonus, and the supervisor, we get 8% of the volume bonus. Then you also get 3% bonus on assistant supervisor group retain, which means all of your assistant supervisor purchases, you get 3%. The next level is assistant manager. Assistant manager, you can be an assistant manager by doing 60 CCs in 2 months, which gives you a discount of 43% when buying products. You still get the 25% forever preferred customer profit. You get 13% on the volume bonus. It's higher than the supervisor, which is 8%. You get 5% bonus on supervisor group retail. All of your supervisors, when they purchase from the company, you get 5% on them. On the assistant supervisor, you get 8% on all of their purchases. Then the next level is a manager. Manager, you can be a manager in one of 2 ways. You can be a manager when you do 120 CCs in 2 months, or you do 150 CCs in 4 months. As soon as you're a manager, you get 48% discount when purchasing from the company. You still get the 25% preferred customer profits. You get 18% volume bonus. You also get 5% assistant manager group retail. You get 10% on supervisor group retail. You get 13% on assistant supervisor group retail. So that is our marketing plan and how you can see if to move on how many CCs you need to be in which level. We have now come to our incentives. We have international incentives on this company where we all accumulate by doing our CCs. We have the Forever to Drive incentives where you get to experience and drive the car that you want, the car of your dreams. As soon as you achieve those incentives, You don't have to buy a car if you don't need it, but you still get the amount that you get from achieving those CCs and achieving that level. You can buy a car if you need it. You can renovate your house. You can pay school fees for your kids. You can do anything which can help you also grow as a family or even take your kids out. With the Forever to Drive, we have level 1, level 2, and level 3. In level 1, you have to accumulate 50 cc's in 1 month, 100 cc's in second month, and 150 cc's in third month. You get 7,000 per month for accumulating those cc's. The 7,000 you get it for 36 months, which is a great add-on to all of the benefits that the company brings. On level 2, you have to accumulate on the first month 75 cc's, on the second month 150 cc's, on the third month is 225 cc's, where you get 10,500 per month for 36 months. You also have a chance to be a level 3 Forever to Drive qualifier, where in 1 month, in first month you accumulate 100 cc's, second month 200 cc's, third month 300 cc's, which you get 14,000 per month for 36 months, which is also a great add-on from all of the benefits you can get from the company. We also have international yearly trips, which are 3 trips sponsored by the company. You can also achieve this trip by accumulating the required CCs. If you reach the required CCs, if you accumulate the required CCs, you get the opportunity to travel around the world with other business owners and also enjoy these incentives. We have 3 trips, which number 1 is the Level Up, where you qualify to go and see the plantations of the Forever plant, of the aloe plant, and also experience to see how the product is moved from the plantation to the product center. You also experience how people are working and also how they are taking care of the products and make it easier for them to get to us. The second trip is Eagle Managers Retreat, where is also an international trip with a different location every year. You can experience and also enjoy by accumulating the required CCs. In each of these trips, you are allowed to take anyone that you want to travel with. You are allowed to choose any person that, or they just have to have a passport and they are available to travel. It's an all expenses paid trip where they get to pay you for the accommodation, and also they pay for food and also travel. The other trip that we have is the Global Rally, which also has a different location every year. You also qualify by accumulating the required CCs to achieve these travel incentives. As you can see, I have put here will it work for me, because it's a question that most people do ask when they hear everything about this business. Yes, this business can work for you. It can work for everyone. You just have to be willing to think big, dream big, and set goals for yourself and your family. Commit to having regular customers and building your team. We also be prepared to tell everyone on what you're doing. Have a great attitude. If you have big dreams and you are willing to work hard to achieve those dreams, this is a time for you to change those dreams into reality. Be willing to work for them, and also commit on what you do, and be prepared to tell everyone that you know what you're doing. People, they can see what you're doing, but they still need to hear from you. They still need you to share with them what you have, the journey that you have started. You might be surprised that people have known about it forever, but once you join it and you tell them about it, they become your best customers. You also have to take it seriously. Like in any new venture, time and effort is required. You can't be doing the same thing and also expecting new results. It's a highly dangerous thing to do. You have to be able to make time for what you are planning and make time for your dreams, because you can't be achieving new dreams and still staying in the same schedule. Be coachable and attend all relevant training, which is very important when you want to grow. You can't be wanting to grow and you're still sitting and not sharing with other people the information, and also not asking questions. Be able to ask questions, and also when you see your upliner or the person who introduced you in the company, make sure you ask questions. Make sure that you want to know everything you need to know. You get all the information that you want. And also attending training and meeting with other business owners helps with the growth in the business. Commit the time required to become successful. You can't be successful and still be doing the same thing that you were doing before you decided to enter in this new journey. If you are self-motivated and willing to work closely with the person who introduced you to the business, you will be successful. The most important thing is to be close with the person who introduced you, and also let them share with you how they get to do this business. Thank you so much. This has been a great opportunity for me to share with you. I am hoping that you got all the information that you need. I am hoping that with you watching this and hearing this information, you will make the right decisions for you. And if you maybe have any questions, please go to the person who invited you here. Contact them and let them know what you think about this session, and let them ask them how you can also join and be part of this wonderful community. Thank you so much for everyone who made it here. Thank you.